In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications for Gmail. If you spend a lot of time on your computer, it can be really helpful to get a small pop-up whenever a new email arrives, instead of constantly checking your inbox. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Gmail to turn those notifications on, and I'll also mention a couple of things to keep in mind so everything works smoothly. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account where you want to receive notifications. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel on the right side of the page. Inside that panel, you'll notice a link that says See All Settings. This is important because the desktop notification options aren't in the quick panel. They're in the full settings area. Click on See All Settings and Gmail will take you to a new page with multiple tabs across the top, starting with the General tab. By default, you should already be on the General tab, but if not, click on it. Now, scroll down slowly through the list of options until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. It might be about halfway down the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling until you reach it. In the Desktop Notifications section, you'll see different options for how Gmail should notify you about new mail. To turn this feature on, select the option that says Enable Desktop Notifications for Gmail. This tells Gmail to send a small notification on your computer whenever a new email comes in, as long as your browser is open and you're signed in. After choosing that option, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, Gmail will not remember your notification setting. One final tip. Your browser may also ask for permission to show notifications from Gmail. If you see a small prompt near the address bar asking whether to allow notifications, make sure you click Allow. Once that's done, you're all set. New emails will trigger a desktop notification, helping you stay on top of your inbox without constantly refreshing the page.